Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add alt text in image in WordPress. So by alternative text, it is said that you can add an alternative text to your image. So to do that, firstly, you have to log into your WordPress account over here. So to do that, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com, then log into your account, and this is the interface you're going to see. Over here on the right hand side, you can see the quick links option. Below that, you can see the edit site option. Click on the edit site option over here, and it will take you to the editor's page of WordPress. It might take a while. After you have reached the editor's page, you can see this is the editor's page over here. So you're gonna scroll down and go to the image you want to add the alternative text to. Click on the image, and here on the right hand side you can see there is an option called alternative text over here. Here you can write down your alternative text, whatever you want to write. It is really important for search engine optimization, and it really helps to find your specific photo in the WordPress on Google. So after you have added your alternative text over here, make sure to click on save and to save your actions. And that's how you add alternative text in image in WordPress. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.